Grabe guys! Freedom March for FPRRD. Kinasa nila sa The Hague, Netherlands. Yesterday po ito guys nangyari. Wow, grabe. Sobrang saludo talaga ako sa mga Pinoy na nandyan sa Netherlands, hindi lang sa Netherlands, pati sa iba't ibang sulok ng mga, alam mo yun, kapitbahay ng Netherlands. Wow, grabe. Alam mo yung mga taga-Canada, nagpunta pa talaga guys, ang dami nila at ganako, dumalo talaga sila sa Freedom March. Ito guys, panoorin natin na.
ICC, send him home.
ICC, send him home.
Philippines needs Duterte. Send him home.
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 At ito pa guys, nagpasa pa talaga sila ng public petition, no? Para kay PRRD sa ICC. Wow! As in, nag-collect sila ng mga signs, ng mga signature. Grabe, wow! Parang yung ano yata dito, yung maisog eh. Grabe no, grabe talaga. As in, sinabit na nila sa ICC yung public petition guys na palayain na talaga si FPRRD.
Duterte!
Duterte! Duterte! We respectfully affirm Philippine sovereignty while calling fairness and due process. Free Duterte! Makikita po yan.
At ito pa talaga guys, so yung mga pulis ng The Hague. Wow, as in supportado talaga sila. At alam mo yung binantayan talaga sila ng todo. Hindi talaga sila pinabayaan.
Bring him home!
At ito guys, itong nakikita nyo guys, isa daw itong Dutch citizen, but ang puso niya ay Pinoy na Pinoy. Wow! He is one daw of the organizer of this event. Grabe! Wow! Wow talaga. Wala akong ibang masabi kundi, wow. Isa siya guys, sa organizer. Isang Dutch citizen. Ewan ko lang kung meron ba siyang asawang Pinay. Para kasing bakla eh.
The ICC has no jurisdiction in the Philippines, and they know it. The bankruptcy of their system should be now already shown. Free Duterte!
Free Duterte!
Free Duterte! Free Duterte!
Bring him home!
Bring him home!
Grabe, wow. Grabe guys, anong masasabi nyo? Grabe yung suporta ng mga tao, no? Galing, galing, galing. Thank you, Lord. At makakalaya na talaga si FPRRD. Anong masasabi nyo, guys? Masaya ba kayo sa pangyayaring ito? Don't forget to continuously pray for our former President Rodrigo Duterte. Kaya, don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel. Have a great day. Bye. God bless.